Hi students, welcome back to the class. Today I am going to explain the topic chemical equations. Chemical equations from the chapter Language of Chemistry. So the chemical equations is represented by two ways. Represented by two ways. The first one, word equation. First one, word equation. And second one, using symbols and the formula. So mainly we are using two methods or two systems followed by representing the chemical equations. First I am going to explain that one, explain word equation. What is mean by word equation? It's a very simple. So we are not using the symbols. So only using the word. For example, want to write the carbon and the oxygen and the product name carbon dioxide. Simply that's one. Carbon reacts with the oxygen into form carbon dioxide. Into form a carbon dioxide. So we are I am mentioning here only the word. I am not using any symbols. So this method is called word equation. So in the case of instead of carbon, I am written the full name of carbon only. I am not using the symbol carbon and the oxygen. The reaction between the carbon and the oxygen into form carbon dioxide. So this type of representation is called word equation. It is a word equation. In the case of the hydrogen react with the oxygen into form water. So it is also other example of the word equation. So I hope all of you understood this one. Means word equation means only use the words. We are not using symbols. This is the first method. It's very rarely we are using this method in chemistry. Almost majority we are using the second equation, that is using symbols on the formula. It is one of the important method or representation in the chemistry. So I will give you some examples of the second method using symbols and formula. So listen here. The first one. I will give you one best example for the chemical equation means using the symbols. First one, what is mean by this symbol? Mg means magnesium. The magnesium react with oxygen into form magnesium oxide. So it is also best example for the symbol and the formula. So here only using the symbol. Mg means the short form of the magnesium. O means the short of oxygen. And both are combined together into form the product. New product is called magnesium oxide. So here I am only using the symbols to make one formula. So it is a famous and it's a very relevant, important method using in the chemistry. And next one. Hydrogen react with oxygen into form water. It is also other example of chemical or symbol, chemical formula or symbol. Okay. And I will give you few chemical equations. The first one more. CaCO3 break into calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide and hydrogen plus chlorine react into form HCl. So this type of reactions is called a chemical reaction only using the symbols into make the formula. So once again repeat this one. Today's topic, chemical equations. The chemical equations represented in the chemistry two ways. The one word equation and second one using symbols and the formula. So the first word equation means we are using only the word, represent only the words. For example, carbon. We are not write the symbol only carbon like this one, carbon, and the oxygen reacted to form the carbon dioxide. So this type of method, this type of equation is called word equation. And second one using symbol and formula. So here only using symbols. Symbols means their symbol form. Magnesium, their short form symbol is called means Mg, and the oxygen O into form the MgO means magnesium oxide. And here it's a compound. It's one compound. Calcium, carbon, and oxygen. The three different elements combined together into form a compound is called calcium carbonate. So this calcium carbonate break into two new product, two new substance. One is the calcium oxide and second one carbon dioxide. So in here I am using only the chemical symbols, means the symbols only. So these are the chemical equation, the basic of chemical equation two types. I hope all of you understood this topic, chemical equations. So all of you want to practice the word equation. You want to choose some elements from the periodic table and you want to try to make reactant and the product. You want to choose two reactants and what happened after the reaction, and you want to mention at least 10 equations in the word and 10 formulas in the second topic using symbols and formula, and you want to practice your own. So I hope all of you understood this one. Thank you.